Viewers, hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to tell you about black holes, how they are formed, what lies inside them, and what scientists say about these mysterious cosmic objects. We'll cover everything in this video, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends so you don't miss any of our upcoming exciting videos. Now, let's jump straight into the video. In the endless vastness of space, beyond the stars we can see and the galaxies we can imagine, there exists a force so powerful that it bends the very fabric of reality. A place where time stops, light vanishes, and the laws of physics break down. Welcome to the mystery of the black hole. For centuries, humans have looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond. But it wasn't until the 20th century that scientists began to realize the universe hides something terrifying. Cosmic monsters that swallow everything that comes too close, even light itself. The story of black holes begins with gravity, one of the fundamental forces of nature. Gravity is what keeps us grounded on Earth and keeps the planets orbiting the sun. But imagine a place where gravity is so strong that once you fall in, there's no way out, not even for light. That's what a black hole is. A black hole isn't a physical hole in space. It's a region where matter has been crushed into an incredibly small point, known as a singularity. This singularity has infinite density, meaning all the mass is squeezed into an infinitely tiny space. Surrounding this singularity is an invisible boundary called the event horizon, the point of no return. Anything that crosses it, a star, a planet, even light, can never escape. But how do black holes form? The most common way is through the death of massive stars. When a star several times larger than our sun runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own gravity. The outer layers explode in a supernova, while the core collapses into a point of infinite density, creating a black hole. Scientists classify black holes into different types based on their size. Stellar black holes, formed from collapsing stars, usually a few times heavier than our sun. Supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times more massive, sitting at the center of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Intermediate black holes, a mysterious middle category, still being studied. Primordial black holes, tiny ones that might have formed right after the Big Bang. Our own galaxy's heart hides one of the biggest secrets in the universe. A supermassive black hole named Sagittarius *, pronounced a star. It's 4 million times more massive than the sun. Yet it's completely invisible. We only know it's there because of how nearby stars orbit around an unseen center, moving at incredible speeds, as if something enormous, but invisible, is pulling them. For decades, black holes were purely theoretical, something that existed only in equations. But that changed in 2019, when scientists achieved the impossible. They captured the first ever image of a black hole using the Event Horizon Telescope, a network of radio telescopes around the world. Astronomers photographed the shadow of a black hole in the galaxy in 55 million light-years away. That glowing orange ring surrounding a dark center wasn't an artist's concept, it was real. Humanity had, for the first time, seen the unseeable. Black holes don't just sit quietly in space. They are dynamic, powerful, and terrifying. When a star drifts too close, the black hole's gravity stretches it apart in a process called spaghettification. The star is torn into long, thin strands of gas and dust, which spiral around the black hole before vanishing forever. But not everything that gets close disappears silently. As matter falls in, it heats up to millions of degrees and releases massive amounts of radiation, often forming brilliant jets of energy that shoot out into space at nearly the speed of light. These jets can extend thousands of light years, shaping entire galaxies. And yet, the strangest part of all, black holes might also hold the key to understanding the universe itself. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity is not just a force, it's the warping of space and time. A massive object like a star bends space around it, but a black hole bends it so much that space folds in on itself. Inside a black hole, time and space swap roles, time stops, and the future becomes unpredictable. For scientists, black holes are like natural laboratories, the ultimate test of physics. Einstein's equations predict them, yet they also challenge our understanding of how the universe works. What happens at the center of a black hole, the singularity, cannot be explained by current physics. To truly understand it, we need a theory of quantum gravity, something that unites Einstein's relativity and quantum mechanics. Even more mysterious is what might happen beyond a black hole. Some scientists believe black holes could be gateways to other universes, or wormholes that connect distant points in space and time. Others think that information falling into a black hole is not destroyed, but somehow stored in a quantum form on its surface. This idea is called the holographic principle, and it could rewrite everything we know about reality. Then there's the concept of Hawking radiation. In 1974, the legendary physicist Stephen Hawking proposed that black holes aren't entirely black. They slowly emit tiny amounts of radiation due to quantum effects near the event horizon over billions of years. This means black holes could evaporate and vanish completely. It's one of the strangest ideas in science, that something which swallows everything could one day fade away into nothing. But the story doesn't end there. In recent years, we've detected something that proves black holes aren't just theory. They're real, active, and violent. In 2015, scientists using the LIGO observatory detected gravitational waves for the first time, ripples in the fabric of spacetime, created when two black holes collided and merged. That discovery confirmed one of Einstein's last untested predictions, and it opened a brand new window into the universe. Since then, we've detected dozens of such collisions, each one sending out more energy in a fraction of a second than all the stars in the universe combined. It's humbling to think that these invisible giants, millions of light years away, can still shake the universe itself. Even our own galaxy's black hole, Sagittarius A*, occasionally feeds, devouring dust and gas clouds that wander too close, lighting up the region for a brief moment before fading back into darkness. And while black holes seem like destroyers, they might also be creators. Some scientists believe that the energy and matter ejected from the edges of black holes may help form new stars and galaxies, meaning that black holes are not just the end of things, but part of the cosmic cycle of birth and death. Still, one question remains: what would happen if a person fell into a black hole? The answer is both fascinating and terrifying. From a distance, an observer would see you slow down, your image stretching and fading as you approach the event horizon, eventually freezing in place forever. But from your own perspective, you'd fall right through, without even noticing the moment you crossed the point of no return. Soon after, the tidal forces would become so extreme that you'd be stretched thinner and thinner, until you were torn apart, molecule by molecule. And yet, your atoms, your information, might remain imprinted on the black hole's surface forever. Black holes remind us of how small we are in the cosmic scale, but also how powerful human curiosity can be. We took something invisible, something that bends time itself, and we proved it exists. Every discovery brings new questions. What lies at the center of a black hole? Do they connect to other universes? Is the universe itself one giant black hole? For now, we can only imagine. The one thing is certain. Black holes are not just cosmic monsters. They are clues. Clues that might one day reveal where the universe came from and where it's going. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there, in the silent darkness, a black hole is waiting. It doesn't glow, it doesn't speak, but it holds the secrets of creation and destruction within it. A reminder that the universe is still full of mysteries we've yet to understand, and that curiosity, our need to ask why, might be the only force more powerful than gravity itself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more deep space mysteries and true cosmic stories. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your mind in the universe.